Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 2, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System and Reset Options. And at the bottom you will have Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now when you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So in other words, it removes everything that you have placed on the device yourself, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you either have done it or you don't want to, tap on Erase All Data, again erase everything, and the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished, we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.